Hi, I would like to demonstrate for you quickly how to use our interlibrary loan program, or ILLiad. I've run a search for Skyping and how to do that, and I came across a source that we do not have in our library. So to request this from another library, there is a link here that says request this through interlibrary loan. I don't need to know where this could be found. I just know that I want the library to find it for me. So I can click on this link and it'll open a new window to prompt me to log in to our ILLiad system. Now, if this is not the same login information as your SJSU login, this is not the same kind of login. This is a different program. So if you're a first-time user and you haven't created an account yet, you click on this and say start here, and you agree to follow their guidelines, and then you must fill out all of this information. So remember, this is one time you'll have to fill all this out, and you'll give them all of your information about where to email. A lot of the articles can just be emailed directly to you as PDF files, so they need your email address. And if you, in other types of sources that are print sources, you can request where you would like to pick them up. If you'd like to pick them up from the library, or you, well, that's your only choice here, or if you want them to hold it, or if you want to have them mail it to you. And so your personal information goes in here, and then you'll submit that. And then the next time that you find a source like that, when you click on this, you'll have your login information because you'll have created that here. Your username is going to be your SJSU ID, and then we'll have created a password that's specific to you, and then that will be how you log in, and it'll already know that, and then it'll automatically submit the request for you without having to fill out that whole sheet of information, personal data, ever again. If you have any questions about that, please contact the library.